Today, if you start learning any skill, on an average, you will require 2 years to get the expertise in that particular skill. But what if I tell you that the skill which you are learning today is having no scope in future? But digital marketing is one of that skill which is having the highest scope in upcoming years. Hello everyone, I am Kashish from Know How Academy. The introduction will be going to a little long because I'll be giving you all the information, all the things which you will be learning throughout this playlist. So, if you will complete the whole playlist from start to end, you will be learning these things. Number one, you will be understanding the umbrella of digital marketing, what all things comes under this umbrella. Number two, how any business and any individual is getting benefited from this digital marketing world, how they are using digital marketing to grow their business. Number three, you will be learning some of the important digital marketing terminologies. For example, SEO, CPC, impression, organic marketing, paid marketing, and lot more things. Number four, you'll be learning the types of digital marketing. For example, website design, SEO, email marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and lot more types. Number fifth, AI in digital marketing. We'll be understanding the role of AI. We'll be understanding how we can use and utilize AI for our better work in terms of the marketing, right? Number six, we will be learning some of the tools used in digital marketing to improve our work, to improve our result. So these are the things which I have tell you, which I have mentioned you, that what all the things which we will be learning throughout this playlist. Now the question comes, who can learn from this playlist? Number one, you have no idea about digital marketing and you have heard some of the terms of digital marketing from here and there, and now you are confused, right? But you are interested in digital marketing and you want to make your career in that as well. So this playlist is for you only. Number two, if you are a businessman, you are just starting out, you want to make one startup and you want to understand how digital marketing can play a big role in your business. So yes, you will be getting overview of the digital marketing in this playlist itself. Number three, if you want to learn new things, and you already know about digital marketing, you have the idea of digital marketing, but you want to brush up the skills, right? And like if you are in digital marketing, you know that things almost every day changes, right? Like according to the trends, according to the people, how people are reacting to new things. It's just like an experiment world, right? And if you are creative, you want to see change in every time you want to do, and you want to show your creativity, then this build is for you only, and this playlist is also for you only. Now coming to the harsh reality of the digital marketing, yes, since you are starting out, so I think this is my responsibility to tell you, this is my responsibility to share you the challenges and what all the difficulties you will be facing while learning the digital marketing field. So whenever you will be starting, learning this, you will be getting some of the terms which are confusing, some of the like tools which can confuse you. For example, if you are starting learning, then you will be confused whether I should do research work, whether I should do the content creation, or whether I should be analyzing the result. What should I do, right? So you will be almost stuck in these things only. But I am having one solution for you. Okay, so in this whole playlist, we will be following one beautiful learning approach, that is T-shaped learning approach. In this approach, we will be getting and gathering the knowledge of digital marketing in general, and then according to our interest, in whichever field we are finding our interest, then we will be deep dive into that particular topic, right? So to find that interest, to find your niche, you have to increase the breadth of your knowledge, right? So you just have to be very patient and calm while learning any new concept, while learning any new term, any tool, and anything. Okay, so this is my a suggestion or advice to you. Just be patient, keep learning. This is the basic thing you can do to increase your skill or to improve your skill. Now, coming to the main agenda of today's video. So, you will be learning number one, digital marketing. Number two, you will be understanding the benefits of digital marketing. Under this, you will also be learning about traditional marketing. Number three, I'll be showing you some of the real example of types of digital marketing where you will be actually watching the implementation of these strategies which we are going to use in this field. Number one, what is digital marketing? You know what, around 5.35 billion people are using internet today. So imagine that for any individual, for any business, this is such a great opportunity to grow their product, to grow their service, right? So in simple terms, if I can say that any individual or any business want to sell or want to promote or want to show their brand on internet while using digital platform is simply called digital marketing, right? But this is not an easy task. Let me tell you why. I'm giving you one simple example. Just imagine you are having 500 pens, right? And you want to choose one pen out of those 500 pens. Now, how difficult it would be for you to choose one pen out of 500 pens, right? So, this is the case for all the audience also. The product and the service which you are selling to all the audience or your audience, in the same way, people are there who are selling similar product to yours, similar service to yours as well. So people are having n number of options to choose between, right? But why anyone chooses your product? Why anyone should choose your service? This is the question we should ask to ourselves before even starting our digital marketing things, right? So here is the one beautiful term comes into the picture, that is USP, right? Unique selling point. Now what is that? This is one of the term in digital marketing which we generally use to market or to promote anything. Now what is USP? It's called unique selling point. Now this is the unique feature, this is the very different feature which you are providing through your product and service to your target audience. Now this is very important to define this particular feature, and you have to make sure that this service or this particular feature that you are giving to your target audience, there should be no one else should be providing that same thing to your target audience, which means you have to be unique. In simple terms, you have to be unique in yourself, right? So we have learned one term today itself, that is USP. Now coming to the second point, benefits of digital marketing. Here we'll be comparing some of the things with traditional marketing to the digital marketing to understand better that why digital marketing is beneficial for us in today's time. Number one, mass marketing. You can cater a lot of people at the same time, which is not possible in traditional marketing. So you have to get the pamphlet, you have to get the poster, you have to get the billboards if you can afford, right? So these are the things under traditional marketing, which is quite difficult if we compare with digital marketing. Number two, effective target audience. Now imagine if you want to sell the pen to any person, you would be more likely to sell that pen to that person who is actually interested, right? You would never want that pen to be seen by that person who is not even interested in your product, not about just pen, any service or any product of yours, right? But through digital marketing you can actually target your a particular audience. Number three, cost effectiveness. Now, I'm giving you two options. You want to reach the audience in 100 rupees or you want to reach the audience in 1000 rupees. Of course, you would be choosing the first option, right? And this is possible through digital marketing, not with traditional marketing in general. Number four, results are measurable. Yes, in digital marketing, you can track the result, you will be having the idea of your particular product, that which product is working out, which product is not working out, for example, in digital marketing, we create some ads, right? And we run the ads like through different social media platform and any other platform also. So in that particular case, you will be having the track of the reach of your product to the people, to your target audience, the impression that your particular ad has received, and a lot more matrices you will be having to like have the idea of your product, right? And whichever person or whichever the audience is like taking your product, you will be having the track of all of that. We'll be talking about this in a very clear terms, in very specific way, in like our upcoming videos, but this is the overall idea that results are measurable, right? You can have the idea of your particular product, right? Number 5, testing and choosing what is working for you. Now, as I already mentioned that like to show our product to all the audience, we create the ads, right? There are many things we do to like showcase our product, but ads, I'm just taking the one example that if we create ads of our product, then what is working for us? Like if we have created one poster, maybe two poster, then which one is like working for us, which is giving the more sales to us, right? This is the thing which we actually need, right? Why we are here? We are doing the business, we are selling our product, we are selling our services. So which poster or any video is working for your product, you really need to know. So you can do this by digital marketing. Number 5, high ROI, which means high return on investment. Why we are here? Just to get the profit. If I talk about digital marketing, yes, if we are selling any product, if we are selling any service, we want profit. Very simple, right? Digital marketing can do this for you, because just imagine if you can track the result, if you can know the your target audience, right? If you having, if you are having the choice between what is working for you and what is not working for you, then definitely your return on investment will be high. So now I hope you all have understood what is digital marketing and what are the benefits of digital marketing, and I hope you are ready to deep dive into this field more with me. Okay, so now we will see some of the examples of the types of digital marketing. So first of all, I have opened here the Instagram. Okay, so as you can see here that these are the ads. Now how we are getting to know that if there is any post over here, then how we will get to know that this particular post is an ad. So as you can see here, this is the word written here that is sponsored, right? So this is one of the ad, right? Now if we'll move ahead, we will see more ads. Yes, you can see right here. Yes, so this post is an ad. Okay, now in such type of like creation, we really need our creativity to show, because we want to grab the attention of the audience, we want to grab the attention of our target audience, right? So that's why we really need to be very creative. Now let's move on to the next example. By the way, this type of ads are called meta ads because it is running on the Instagram, right? So whatever the ads which runs on Facebook and Instagram, it's called the meta ads, right? Both are the same. So moving ahead with the next example, that is Facebook ads. As you can see here, this is the sponsored content. Then this is also the sponsored content. So these type of ads we run on Facebook and Instagram. Now moving ahead with the next example. Now if on Google I will write something, right? For example, best watch in India. Now, I have written one keyword here, that is the best watch in India. Now, if someone want to sell their watch and if someone want to rank first, if someone types this best watch in India, they will do the SEO of their page, the SEO of their website, right? So let's see how and who have done the SEO of their page for the keyword that is best watch in India. So first of all, as we can see, this name comes first, that is Helios Watch Store. then the Tata Click. Then if we scroll down a little bit, we will be able to see the sponsored one as well. Yes, Helios Watch Store shop for India's best luxury watch collection online, right? So for some of the keywords which has include like they have included in their specific page, that's why it is showed as the sponsored. They have paid some amount to the Google to run the ads, so that if anyone types the best watch in India, they can like come on the top. Now, one more thing I want to tell you, that Helios Watch Store is coming on the first, right? Why? Why the Tata Click is not coming in the first? Because the Helios Watch Store have done their SEO part very well. They have used some keywords. Now again, below we have seen that we can see the sponsored content of Helios Watch Store as well, which means that the Helios Watch Store have done the organic part as well as they have done the paid marketing for their website, right? Because at the same time we are able to see this particular website at the top, and while scrolling we are able to see the sponsored content of them as well, right? So which means they have done the organic and inorganic marketing, right? Now, if we'll move to the YouTube, right, we see the ads over YouTube as well in some like variant forms, right? If we'll write something like best watch review, anything, if you want to search on YouTube, even if on the home page as well, you'll be able to see some of the ads, right? So I have searched anything randomly and I can see the first ad which is coming over here for the keyword that is best watch review. Okay, so these type of ads are also there, which we will run through the Google ads, right? Then if we'll scroll down, we will be able to see some other content which are also sponsored, which means the particular page, the particular company or any organization is running ads, right? And even while going through or while watching any video on YouTube, while watching any shorts on YouTube, you will be able to see some sponsored content. So all these are comes under the ads, and these are the types of the like digital marketing, and you will be able to see more types of digital marketing. Like I have showed you some of them. In the next video I'll be talking about in detail about these types of digital marketing. We'll be learning some of the names, some of the types of the digital marketing in the next video in more detail. I hope now you have understood that what is digital marketing, what are the benefits of digital marketing, and some of the examples of the types of digital marketing. Thank you for choosing Know How Academy. Stay tuned for the more videos on digital marketing. I hope you all have started your journey in this field. So, if you have any concern, if you have any suggestion, if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section. Till then, keep learning and stay curious.